Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Mercedes oil. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies, including a new oil filter, fresh engine oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine has cooled down completely. Always wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection, throughout the entire process to prevent any accidents or injuries. Now let's drain the old engine oil. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil pan's drain plug, which is usually found at the lowest point. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow the old, dirty oil to completely drain into the pan. This process typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring nearly 8 liters of old oil are fully removed. With the old oil drained, it is time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, lightly lubricate its rubber gasket with a little fresh oil. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn with the wrench. Finally, pour in the recommended amount of new, high-quality engine oil, typically around 8 liters. After refilling, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Carefully inspect around the new oil filter and drain plug for any signs of leaks. Turn off the engine, wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle, then recheck the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if needed. Remember to properly dispose of the used oil at an authorized recycling facility. Never pour it down the drain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.